Model 2019 Renault TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel SL27 Energy dCi 145 Sport Nav Crew van body, silver, crew cab mileage, 76,121 MOT, the 28th of March 2024 engine, 1,598 CCR9M 145 Energy E6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered, turbo needs replacing. Head gasket gearbox and clutch are 100% just needs turbo replacement, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £12,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.